Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Doug from dratkincollectibles, and today I have for you some pops I got from Entertainment Earth. There wasn't really enough to make their own video on them, so I decided to group them together and just show y'all some of the pops I've picked up here lately. But before we get into today's video, let's go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the bell on if you haven't already. And now let's switch over to top-down view and talk about these pops. So, that was just a cool little set of pops I got from Entertainment Earth. Let me know down in the comments, what did you think about them? Which one was your favorite? And what do you think about ordering from Entertainment Earth? And with all this said, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.